What's up, guys? This is Diego, and I am a professional trader. And today we're going to talk about a weekly opportunity that I have been waiting for. And maybe yesterday we got it. Let's go. This is the daily chart. And as you can see, we have a sideways price action, which is pretty normal because after such a big move, after so much volatility, a 25% move to be precise, is super normal to slow down for a while, collect some liquidity, and then choose a direction. Personally, I was expecting higher, and now I'm gonna show you why. Let's go on a lower time frame, the 1 hour. After we put this high right here, after we took this high and the monthly high from like 3 months ago, we pulled back, we made a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then when I saw the formation of this particular piece of price action, to me, it looked like a bull flag. And then when I saw that after making a lower low right here, we didn't get any follow through. We took the previous day low, but we didn't go lower. We bounced back up, and then we made a high right here. At that point, I was thinking maybe we're gonna go to take this high right here, because after we took this high right here, yeah, I thought that the momentum shifted, but then we went lower again, take this low yesterday, made a lower low, another one, and now we are bouncing. And the reason why I am bullish is because this price action is sideways. And to me, it looks like a range. And because we are in an uptrend, because we haven't broken any particular market structure, we haven't broken any important low. And to me, an important low is this one. That's an important low. If we break this one, I think it's going to be much more bearish. But at the moment, we are in a sideways price action, which means that the market is not really willing to go down, because otherwise it would have done it. It would have gone down impulsively like this. But as we can see, it tried, but then it didn't have enough strength to go down again, and it started going sideways. And to me, sideways price action is an opportunity to look for a long, to take the high again, and possibly after taking the high again, dropping and reversing. But we'll see about that because we're not there yet. So I can't really predict the future. But of course, that's an area, 31.5 to 32.7. This area right here, that's where I'm going to look for a short. The point of this video is to talk about the long opportunity that we got yesterday. And sure, maybe there is a possibility that we go down again, take the previous day low, and bounce back up. That's 100% possible. Of course, the higher we get, and the lower the chances they get. So let's talk about this opportunity because, like I said, given the context, that the context was bullish because of this sideways price action, like I said, I was waiting for an entry. And where do you enter usually if you're looking for a long, if you're looking for a reversal? Where do you enter? The best place to enter is after taking stop losses. Where are the stop losses? The stop losses are at the lows, and the first two are the best ones in my opinion, because you break this one and it's more tricky. But the first two are great. And actually, we didn't even take this one. We took this one yesterday, clearly, and my entry was a limit order on this low and a clear invalidation on this low right here. And I'm gonna close my trade up here. And as you can see, the ratio is very good. That's how I trade ranges. If I see a sideways price action in a bull trend, I'm gonna buy the bottom of the range, which is below a particular low. And then after the market is done taking liquidity, taking stop losses, it's going to reverse very often, and it's going to go take liquidity on the opposite side, which is in this particular situation at the high. That's why for me this high is very important, because after taking it, maybe the market is going to be done taking liquidity on the upside, and maybe it's going to reverse. So that's why I'm going to be ready up there to short. But that's another story. That's another video. This particular video, like I said, I place a limit order here, stop loss here, and take profit here. It's a very good ratio. Approximately, it's like more than 3-to-1. Very good. And I haven't moved my stop loss yet, but I think as soon as we take this high right here, I'm gonna move my stop loss at the low. And also at this point, something else that made me bullish was this double top right here. Some people think, oh, a double top is bearish or a double bottom is bullish. It's quite the opposite actually. A double top in Bitcoin is almost 100% of the time bullish, because it's just a trap for people to think, oh, this is bearish, it's a double top, and they short, and then eventually the market takes it later on, because a double top contains more liquidity than a single top, because there are two highs. There are more people that shorted. They shorted this one, and placed their stop losses up here. So they're like double stop losses. And the market pretty much always takes them. Seriously, like 98, 97% of the time, they're gonna take them. And that's why also I was bullish. So it's not just because the sideways price action. It was also because of this beautiful double top that gave me even more confidence that the context was bullish. And of course, I can be wrong because I'm a human being. And human beings sometimes are wrong. But I think my approach is correct in this particular situation. I like my trade. I like my idea. And also, another factor that made me bullish is that today is Thursday, and we haven't gotten any clear weekly opportunity. And usually my experience after studying all the past month, I came up with a number that's the average of the weekly clear opportunities that are given. And the number is 2.83. And sure, certain weeks we get one opportunity, other weeks we get 4 opportunities, maybe 5, rarely. But usually we get about 2-3 opportunities. And this week we got nothing, because I don't count this as an opportunity, because in my experience, opportunities are longer, they're like bigger percentages. This is an opportunity, for example. Even the short from up there, sure, I can count as an opportunity. But in my experience, we need something bigger. So at the moment, we got nothing. That means that we have much more chances that this low right here is going to give an opportunity, because it's Thursday and the week is about to end. There's Thursday and Friday. I'm not counting the weekend. So it's just from Monday to Friday. And if we take the low again, great. At that point, we have even more chances that the low that we make down here is going to be the real one. So that's my read about this situation. And like I said, I think we are going to take this high and go from there. I hope you liked the video. I hope you understood my point of view and you learned how to trade a sideways price action in a bull trend. Please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.